318, Simpler Auto Tile Shader, Part 37. We're on the Atomic IV MMO, making an MMO from scratch. Top-level constant macros. These are 2 monkey wrench macros. And then we have all these Simpler Auto Tile Shader graphics. So these are all 16 subtiles of an auto tile set. They are 4x4 designs. These are the 3-letter names for the different subtiles, and this is its index within an array when we pack them into an array. Here are the hex codes. These hex codes pack 2 designs in each of the numbers. We don't have time to go over everything in too much detail. In the illegal stuff section, we have a whole bunch of monkey wrench macros. We don't need to go in any more detail than that. And here's what we did previously. And here's the names for those different constants. The 3-letter names are for the different subtiles within the auto tile set, how they're laid out. And here is some tags I added that say nonagon tiles to help me find some things, and some other notes. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm making these designs with bits. So this is a 4x4 bit pattern for the line work for the top left auto tile, right? The auto tile subtile. Here's a little lookup table to help me map things out, and then down here is the top left tile, but this is the lighting information. This is 4x4 bits as well, so this is 16 bits here, and then up here is also 16 bits, so we could combine both of those together to create a bit-packed tile value. So let's go take this 5 here. Let's take this 5 and look for the math. So here's the math, right? So we take this design, we turn the underscores to zeros, then we compact it, get rid of the spaces, and then we linearize this into binary and this into binary. We look up the hex value. Here's the hex value here and here, and then we smash both of these hex values together into here. And we did that for every single tile. So we have tiles 0 all the way to 15. We don't have time to go over the math, but you see the basic process involved. So that's all we did in this video. So like, subscribe, and send money in the mail. We have a longer description here. You're on the short playlist. You've been on video number 318. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.